Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing your device. Back up essential data and ensure the battery sits between 20 and 80%. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging so you can view battery stats and run a DB if needed. Make sure to remove any case that traps heat and close power-hungry apps from settings right arrow battery. You'll also turn on adaptive battery features and restrict background activity for the worst offenders. This immediately reduces drain while we continue to deeper fixes. Next, you perform a detailed diagnosis. Open battery usage and note apps or services with disproportionate consumption. Once you identify culprits, uninstall or force stop and restrict their background activity and permissions. Apps using constant location or wake clocks are common offenders. Make sure to lower screen refresh to 60 Hz, reduce brightness and timeout, and switch sync schedules to manual or longer intervals. If you're comfortable, use a DB Dumpsy's Batterostats to reset and inspect detailed wake clock reports for persistent misbehaving apps. To finish, you apply final maintenance. Install system updates, clear cache partitions if your device supports it, and consider a one-time battery calibration by charging fully and discharging to near empty only when readings are obviously wrong. Once done, monitor for several days and adjust app permissions and background limits as needed. If problems persist, perform a factory reset after backing up and restore apps selectively. If hardware is at fault, make sure to test with a replacement battery or seek authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.